Yeah, I just wanted to clarify some of the install instructions for the Bullring on the 2019 and up new style Ram 1500. The instructions talk about cutting out the lip here. I don't know why they even bother doing that. You really have to cut out so that it's flush with the edges here of the stake holes. So I cut out the lip, but then the Bullring wouldn't fit in there. So I realized, looking closer at their install videos, that they actually had routed it so that it's flush with the lip here. So I would just cut this instead of even messing with the inner lip. What I did, I just used my Dremel with the little saw blade at the end of it and cut a guideline around the edges. And then for more detailed cutting, I just used one of these guys and the lowest setting, and just trimmed it around the corners and all that. And then the Bullring sits flush like that. I did add, I don't know, I'm a little OCD, I guess. I added some sealant under there, some of this stuff, but probably not necessary. And then the front Bullrings do go on as they instruct. And part numbers for this is the 5066. They also have the 4066, which is the stainless steel version of it. So anyway, just wanted to clarify that for folks. I did put this underneath so that it wouldn't scratch the surface. And then for this side, I just kind of lifted it while I cut. All right, hope that helps somebody.